Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all enjoying your life with your family, friends and colleagues. Today we are talking about the most serious, well, one of the serious issues at workplace, which is the workplace violence. Workplace violence prevention and workplace violence can be ranged from threats to physical assault, and it is important to take steps to prevent the violence at our work site. Let's explore how we can do it. First, recognize the sign of potential violence. These can include aggressive behaviors, verbal threats, or significant change in behavior. Encourage workers to report any concerning behavior immediately. Create a zero tolerance policy for workplace violence. Make it clear that any form the violence will not be tolerated and outline the consequences. Ensure everyone understand this is a policy and feel comfortable reporting incidents. Immediate implement security measures such as access controls, surveillance cameras, and alarm system. These can help deter potential threats and provide evidence if and can incident occur. Provide training and conflict resolutions, stress management, and how to handle violent situation. Workers should know how to de-escalate conflicts and protect themselves if necessary. Develop a response plan for violence incident or violent incident. This should include procedure for reporting and responding and investigation of incident. Ensure everyone knows there is a role in an emergency and conduct regular drills. In the conclusions, preventing workplace violence requires vigilance, clear policies, and effective training. By taking these steps, you can create a safe work environment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe and proactive.